Ay, real hot girl shit. Ay.
Hi guys, Nikki and Lindsay here, and I'm back with another video. First things first, if you're new, go ahead and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on any looks or any videos that I drop. If you're an old favorite subscriber, thank you for tuning back into your girl. Today I am bringing you another celebrity recreation. I have recreated the Megan Thee Stallion's look in her new Crybaby video. If you haven't already, go check out her video, okay? Gonna keep this intro long. If you would like to see how your girl got this look, then keep on watching. Hey you guys, welcome back to the channel. First thing is first, in the previous slide, my teeth look a little on the yellow side, but I promise you, your girl do not have butter teeth, okay? My brows are laid and slayed. I used the Benefit Precisely My Brow Pencil in the shade numero 5, okay? Next, I'm going to go in and prime my eyes, prep my eyes. I'm using my concealer by the Crayon Case mixed with the Anastasia Beverly Hills eyeshadow primer, which is basically like a white shade. I'm just going to go ahead and blend that out all over the eye. For eyeshadow palette, I'm taking multiple. I'm taking this Playing in Makeup by Yolanda, Jamrock No Limitations palette, the Zulu palette by Juvia's Place, and the Huda Beauty Sapphire Obsessions palette for this eye look, which is a super easy eye look. I'm taking a turquoisey color and I'm packing that into my crease with a dense shadow brush, and I am packing it into a cat eye type of shape because it's going to be a long cat eye cut crease. Next, I'm going to go ahead and blend out that shade with the mint green shadow from the Zulu palette by Juvia's Place. Don't come for me for the tape on my brush, please, because I love this brush. It's old. Let's just say it's a little decorational thing, okay? I'm just fluffing that shadow out, buffing that shadow out, sorry. Yeah. Going in with some micellar water from the Garnier, I'm just going to go ahead and clean up where I'm going to cut my crease. I like to do this so the shadow won't bleed into the base that I use to cut my crease. So I'm just taking a Q-tip. I'm going very slowly. I did speed this clip up, but I'm just going to go ahead and clean and cut my crease. So this is what we have after we clean up both eyes with the micellar water. And now I'm going to go in with my concealer and Anastasia Beverly Hills mix. This is a process. I don't cut my crease as fast as it looks. I'm going nice and slow. I was watching the Super Bowl, so I'm sorry if I look up a little bit, but I was acting like I knew what was going on in the game, okay? Now I'm just going to go ahead and blend out that concealer. Now I'm just taking that turquoisey green with a fine paintbrush that I bought from Michael's, and I'm deepening the color right above where I cut the crease, just because I want that depth in the crease. Like, I want it to pop. So I'm just defining it with that turquoisey shade. Next, I'm going in with the Huda Beauty Sapphire palette. I'm taking that baby blue shadow right there, and I'm going to place it all over my lid with a fluffy shadow brush, which I do switch to a denser shadow brush just to pack the color on more. And honestly, you guys, I didn't know if her eyeshadow was blue, green, in between. So I did a little bit of both. So I'm showing you one eye. Done. And I'm going in with this shimmer shade from the Zulu palette. I'm going to top that on top of the baby blue color. Megan did not have a shimmer on her lid. She had an all matte eye. But it wouldn't be me if I didn't add a little bit of shimmer. And I really like how the shimmer looked in this look. You can barely tell it was a shimmer shade anyway. I'm going to line my eyes with the Crayon Case Sharp Me eyeliner. Megan had a little wing, so I did a little wing. Now I'm going to move on to lashes. I'm going to take my JTR Beauty lashes. I do have a discount code. It will be down below in the description box, so check that out. For foundation, I'm using my Tarte Found Sealer, which is a foundation and a concealer in one. And guys, this is like one of my new favorite foundations. Review coming soon. I don't know. For concealer, I'm going in with my Hourglass Vanish Concealer. This is in the shade Mocha. And I'm going to also take my Too Faced Too Faced Sculpting Concealer, my apologies, in the shade Butterscotch and dap it in the middle. And I'm going to go ahead and blend that out with my good old faithful beauty blender. And to set my highlight, I'm using my Anastasia Beverly Hills Loose Setting Powder in the shade Deep Peach, which is Bay. Point blank, period. Okay. Now for my all over face powder, I'm going in with my Lancome Dual Finish Face Powder in the shade 540. This just smooths my complexion, and I'm also going over my highlighted areas to dust off that powder and to melt everything all together so it won't look cakey, patchy, or any lines of demarcation. Now to bronze up my face, I'm going in with my Hoola Toasted bronzer. I did cream contour, so I'm just setting it with my bronzer by Benefit. Megan didn't have shadow underneath her eyes. She just had her black eyeliner. So this is my Urban Decay Perversion 24/7 Glide eyeliner pencil, which is absolutely amazing. It is so black. And I did smudge it just a little bit on my lower lash. And I went in with mascara from Fenty Beauty. For blush, I'm using my Anastasia Beverly Hills Blush Trio in the shade Berry Adore. I literally just mix all three colors together and I just plop it on my cheeks. Now for a highlight, Big Bay, the star of the show, I'm using my Crayon Case Honor Roll Highliner. Can we just take a moment to appreciate this glow? Please? For lips, I'm using the Crayon Case Matte Lippy in the shade Graveyard, I believe. I'm just going to outline my lips, and I do fill it in just a little bit. Just a little bit. And then I top it off with my Fenty Beauty Cream Lip Balm. Well, I'm sorry. My Fenty Beauty Cream Shine. Y'all know what I'm talking about. The new Fenty lips. I'm taking Mauve Wives, and I'm plopping that right on top. Right over the matte lippy, and this is a hit, y'all. This is a hit. This color is a hit. Now the look is all done. I'm just gonna go ahead and fix my hair, change my outfit, and I'm gonna come back to y'all because we're looking rusty. And yep, here we go. This is the final look. All my social media sites will be listed down below in the description box. And check out my previous video. I'm going to link it right here in the cards. Hit the little bell so you'll be notified on when I post a video. Yeah, thanks for tuning into your girl. I hope you all have enjoyed it. And please keep a lookout for the next Megan Thee Stallion inspiration look, because I will be doing another look. So, thank you for watching. Bye.